How to make a very easy 3D text animation in After Effects. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more videos. I'm waiting for your comments. We select the text tool and create our text. You can write anything. Then we fix the center point of the text and place the text itself in the center of the composition. Then we copy one of our texts. We take the text we copied to the bottom layer. We activate the 3D icon of both texts. We open the geometry settings of the bottom layer. If this setting is not visible for you, go to the composition settings and select the Cinema 4D feature from the 3D Renderer tab. We select the bevel style as convex, set the bevel depth value to 10, and the extrusion depth value to 450. We change the color of the bottom layer to black and make the page transparent for it to be visible. Then we create a null object, activate the 3D feature and connect the two layers below to null. We open the rotation value of null and set it like this. If you have this problem, open the position value of the first text and set it like this. Now we select all the layers and make a pre-compass. And from the Layer tab, we go to Layer Styles and add a stroke. We open the stroke properties and make the stroke color white. If you want, you can also change the stroke value from here. Now we open the pre-compass. Let's make the page transparent again. Open the scale value of the null object and activate its keyframe and set its value to 0. We go forward 1 second and make its value 110. We go forward 10 frames and make its value 100. We select all the keyframes and give it easy ease. We open the graph editor and set the speed graph like this. Now we change the name of the null object and write controller 1 so that we don't mix them. And we change both texts and set it so that only the top one remains. Now we copy both texts. You can also use Ctrl D as a shortcut. We take the layers we copied to the bottom layer, and while both layers are selected, we move their positions down with the arrow keys of the keyboard. And we change the texts we copied. And we repeat the same process once more. Now we copy one from the controller layer and connect the second texts to controller 2. We repeat the same process once more for the 3D text. Now we go forward 5 frames and pull the controller 2 layer forward. We go forward 5 frames more and pull the controller 3 layer forward. Now we go back to the previous composition and create a solid. We write its name BG. We move the solid to the bottom layer. We add the gradient ramp effect to the solid from the effects. We set its color like this. We make the ramp style radial ramp and set the ramp scatter value to 150, and we set the center points of the colors like this. Yes, it looks very good. This video is up to here. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and open notifications, and I am waiting for your comments. Thank you for watching. See you in new videos.